Bye.
Hey, what's up? Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Sham. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I already did one, but the camera quality was a little jank, a little messed up. But you live and you learn, and I'm back with better quality. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my eyebrows from this, ooh, yikes, rat's nest, to this. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into the tutorial. Okay y'all, so in this tutorial I'll be using a spoolie brush as well as tweezers and scissors. So I'm just starting out by brushing my eyebrows up so that I can start tweezing from underneath. When I'm tweezing my eyebrow hairs underneath, I usually just take off the first bottom row of eyebrow hairs, and then I'll find the other individual stragglers that I see. Another tip when tweezing your eyebrow hairs is to make sure that you are pulling it up from the root and the base of the hair rather than breaking it off in the middle. So next, after I brush my eyebrows up again, I actually using the scissors, cut off the shape that I want at the top of my eyebrows. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and tweeze the other eyebrow. A trick I use for getting the exact shape when cutting the upper portion of my eyebrows is using my spoolie to brush up the hairs as tight to the skin as possible and then cutting off the excess hair after that. Moving on to the styling portion of my eyebrows, I'm taking this translucent soap. I wet it and then dip my spoolie in it, and then I'll just rub it in my eyebrows just like I'm brushing my eyebrows up. I love using soap for my eyebrows because it gives me like a perfect natural feather look, which I like. I don't like my eyebrows to be too dark or look as if they're fake and drawn on. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. brow pomade, and I'm using an angled brow brush just to fill in and define the shape. Not too hard though, where it looks completely natural. I start by defining the lower line of my eyebrow, and then I go in and lightly fill in the rest. And now for the other eye. Lastly, I'm going in with some micellar water, and I'm just cleaning up the top and the bottom portion of my eyebrows to make sure none of that excess soap got on there. After this step, we are all done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was a lot more helpful than my last one because you could actually see what I was doing to my eyebrows. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, your co-workers, that girl in class that you don't really like. You know, you can brighten her day, cheer her up. Maybe that stank attitude, all she needed was a dose of Cham. Bam! Whoa. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces!
Bye.